If it were up to them, every second chance would have been suffocated by religion. If you'll remember, there's my John chapter 9. There was this woman who was caught in adultery. Y'all remember this story? Now I'm going to tell you what religion does. They bring this woman out, and they throw her on the ground in front of Jesus, and they say, you teach the law, right? You believe the Bible, right, Jesus? Well, the rule says, religion says, she deserves to die. And they're holding stones in their hand. Here this woman laying on the ground, beaten, battered, tears in her eyes, and she knows what's getting ready to happen. The outcome has already been decided. Man, you know what religion does? Religion has a thirst for justice without the opportunity for mercy. It picks up the stone. Religion raises the rock and says, God, let me condemn them. God, let me condemn them. And here Jesus is. How in the world can he be justice and mercy all at the same time? And he says something to them that doesn't break the law, but at the same time offers an opportunity of mercy. And he says, he that is without sin, let him cast the first stone. And stone by stone, you can hear them in your ears. They are echoing in the dirt, and it's the sound of mercy instead of justice. And this woman laying on the ground looks up, and Jesus says, woman, where are your accusers? And she says, they're all gone. And he says, exactly, neither do I condemn you. Go your way and sin no more. Mercy won that day. And the church said, amen. If it were up to them, she would have died that day. But mercy stepped in at just the right time and said, but there's a chance. There's a chance. And I don't know what you're caught up in this morning, but I'm telling you, anyone holding a stone is self-condemning of themselves. Mercy always deserves a chance.